All right, here we got a amazing Richard Hoosin lamp. I know this because it's signed year 92. Didn't know who it was, but I love this shade. Looks like copper, and then he soldered everything together with seashells. Really pretty stuff. All right, so customer wants this repaired. Plug is cut, and she wants a switch somewhere on the cord itself. So that should be pretty easily done. If the socket is okay, we won't, need to change it, but in the event we do, that is okay. We have all of our tools and supplies here. So let's begin. First, we are going to start with cutting that off. Splitting the two. Now on the cord, you can see, sort of, that there's a ribbing on this side, and this one is smooth. Sometimes down the wire you can see, really hard to see, but on the smooth one there's writing. The smooth is the hot one, neutral has the ribbings. So if you go up, take out that. Slip this through here. Tight the ends down so they're not afraid. Find which side is which. We'll start with the hot. Really doesn't matter as long as you get it right. Around and down. Tight. Nice. Next, neutral. You can also tell the hot is thinner than the neutral. They call these polarized plugs. Back in the day, they used to not be polarized. All right. So kind of situate them. So that they go in like that. Now you can see they're touching, but don't worry. This little thing, this little guy spaces it apart. Perfect. We got a new plug. Now, put a switch. Let's see. Let's see the bottom of this lamp first. Alright. Let's put the switch. Let's put the switch right there. That's a good spot for it, I think. Cut it. Split it a little bit. Split the other side a little bit. Take a chunk off. Doesn't have to be too big, because inside the switch we're just going to be screwing it down on top of the terminals. Or you know what I mean. I'll show you. No te preocupes. So I'm going to use the original shell for the socket just because it is a really cool old lamp, and I'd like everything to maintain the integrity of it if possible. What's interesting is this didn't have a switch in the beginning, so I guess they'd have to unplug it and plug it in to get it to work. Or maybe they had it on some type of tap that had a switch. I don't live there. Alright, now we got the switch. Kind of hard to see. Better. Neutral, hot. Neutral, hot. Just like you did with the switch or with the plug, you're gonna do it with the switch again. So rip it apart a little bit. Find which one is the hot and which is the neutral. This has the ribbings, that is the neutral. So we will put that, not fray. Tighten down. It's loose enough, I can loosen it up with my hand. Alright, in and tighten. Tighten down. Make sure they're both tight. Nice and on there. Good. Next. Same thing. Neutral. Smooth. I like to do it like, you know, he's a smooth criminal, so he's hot. You know, he's hot, he's smooth. And then neutral, you know, just, you know, whatever. He's got ribbings. Ribbings sound like for squares or frogs. Put that in. Nice. Loosen a bit. Nice. Tighten. Now, since I've been electrocuted before, I like to make sure that all the copper wires are inside, not pointing to the outside, so that no stray wire is touching that little seam there. Okay, perfect. Now put the cover back on. Nice. Good. All right. Let's see. How's that looking? Is that in there good? Yeah, I mean, it's good. Put the sheath over it. Let's take this harp off for a minute, just so we can see it. Let's hope this works as is, right? Beautiful. Look at that. Now, we gotta see it with the shade. Let's see, I hope this bulb is big enough. Yeah, that's perfect. We can get that to fit. Now let's see what a real Richard Hoosin lamp looks like. Oh my god, this thing is beautiful. Ready. This is a roughly, I mean, anywhere from like, I've seen it online, $340 sold out. On eBay, it's going for like $1,200, multiple different styles. Here it is. That is beautiful. Oh my god, I'm jealous. The lady told me when I called her on the phone to see what she wanted done, you know, I was like, it doesn't need rewiring, the wire's good, I can just put on a new plug and switch. She was like, okay, yeah, that sounds good. But if you drop this lamp, you're dead. I can see why. Alrighty, thanks for watching.